Hello and welcome to One to Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can find the Discord ID of your friends and yourself on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Discord on your PC. If you don't have it, you can also access it from the browser or your phone. So after you open it, go to User Settings. And after you go to User Settings, you should find Advanced. Scroll all the way down and find Advanced and enable the developer mode. As soon as you enable the developer mode, click on Escape and let's go ahead and go to a profile. So let's suppose I go to this friend's profile over here. I'll just go ahead and click on More and you can see Copy User ID. If you copy it and paste it, you can see that this is your friend's Discord ID. If you want to see your Discord ID, you can go to your profile over here and you can see Copy User ID. Just go ahead and copy it, paste it, and then you can see your Discord ID as well. So guys, this is how you can find your and your friend's Discord ID. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.